Neets Project Designer 1.8 has made it easy to integrate Barco ClickShare into Neets projects. Neets will now be able to detect when ClickShare is activated and automatically power up your system and select the ClickShare source. Changing sources on the Neets control systems still work as usual. You can always get back to ClickShare with a single click on the ClickShare button. Neets will also detect when ClickShare is disconnected, and after a user-specified time, the control system will switch back to the previously selected source or switch the system off. Currently, Neets Project Designer has support for the CSM1, CSC1, and the CSE200. Let me show you how easy it is to integrate ClickShare into your project. I've opened a Neets project and you see that it already has a ClickShare source button currently. This button used to have to be pressed manually to set the correct source on the projector and amplifier. To change this, go to the System Overview and find your ClickShare device in the device list. Then, drag it onto the connection diagram. Here you'll be prompted for the ClickShare login credentials, and for now I'll use the default username and password. And remember, enter the IP address of your ClickShare unit. To configure the ClickShare, you'll need to go to Functions, where you now have a ClickShare interface available. Now there are two ClickShare events that you need to configure here. The first event is what takes place when the ClickShare is active. Here you need to link to your ClickShare source button. You can drag in a link element, or you can simply click on the event and link it together with your ClickShare button. The second event is what happens when no presentation is active for a user-defined amount of time. Here you need to link your off button. Now the inactive event only powers off the system if it was powered on by a ClickShare event. If the system was already powered on when ClickShare was activated, then the system will return to the last active source when the ClickShare event was triggered. If you always want to power off the system when ClickShare is inactive, then enable Always Power Off Neets. To see the full list of changes and improvements in Neets Project Designer 1.8, please see the release notes on our website. I'm Clay Stalka.